The story that is breaking now, Supreme Court has allowed Srinivasan to take charge as BCCI president. They've appointed, of course, a probe committee to look into allegations of spot fixing and betting in IPL matches against Gurunath Mayappan, that's his son-in-law. The committee will have to submit the report in 6 months to the apex court. Let's go across to NDTV's Nikhil Naz. Nikhil, how is this decision likely to go down?
Well, Sunetra, I'd have to say on first look, it's a big setback for the BCCI. Yes, they've allowed N. Srinivasan to continue as the president, but the signs were clear after the Supreme Court had observed a few days earlier that the board does need a president and they want N. Srinivasan to discharge his duty. Today, they've allowed him to do that. However, there was never any doubt. N. Srinivasan himself was on a very strong footing as far as him being the president is concerned. On technical ground, he is rightly there as president of the BCCI. The issue against N. Srinivasan was that of morality, was also the conflict of interest issue, considering that his son-in-law was involved in IPL betting and spot fixing scandal. However, that is now very clear because the Supreme Court has set up an independent panel to look into this matter. This will be independent of the BCCI. So the conflict of interest does not arise. Hence, they've allowed N. Srinivasan to continue as the president. But why I say it's a setback is because the BCCI kept on arguing that the probe panel that they had set up earlier was constitutional, was fair, and they looked into that matter very fairly, and they had given a clean chit to Gurunath Mayappan. However, that's been overturned by the Supreme Court today. So an independent probe panel will be set up. Justice Mukul Mugdal, who is the former Chief Justice of Punjab and Haryana High Court, will head that panel with 2 other members. They will independently look into it and not submit its report to the BCCI. That's very important. Submit that report to the Supreme Court. So there is no way the BCCI can influence this panel, and you could be rest assured that it will be a fair probe, and that is something that everyone wanted. Setback for the BCCI in that sense. So, Netra?